If you're 18 or older and want to get your first driver's license in Michigan, the process is pretty straightforward. Let's go through the steps. The first thing you'll do is take the written knowledge exam. You can complete it online or at a Secretary of State office. The test covers Michigan traffic laws and safe driving practices, so spending some time with the state's driver's manual will really help. When you visit the Secretary of State office, you'll also take a vision test, present the required documents, and have your photo taken. At this point, you'll receive a temporary instruction permit, also called a TIP. This permit allows you to practice driving, but only with a licensed adult in the car. You'll need to hold on to this permit for at least 30 days before moving on to the next step. During that time, practice as much as possible. Use the 30 days to get comfortable with everyday driving, things like merging onto highways, parking, and handling different road conditions. The more practice you get, the better prepared you'll be for the road test. After your practice period, it's time for the on-road driving skills test. These tests aren't given at the Secretary of State office. Instead, they're handled by independent testing businesses that work with the state. You'll schedule your test directly with one of them, and the fee can vary depending on the business. Once you pass the driving skills test, your results are sent to the state. Your Michigan driver's license will then be processed and mailed to you. One last tip. Before you even visit the Secretary of State office, you can pre-apply online. This step saves time during your appointment and makes sure you know exactly which identity and residency documents to bring.